The wilderness is a powerful teacher. It tests you, pushes you, and ultimately makes you stronger. As a scout and survival expert, I've learned that the key to conquering the wild is preparedness. Whether you're planning a weekend hike or a longer expedition, having essential survival skills can make all the difference. Remember, nature doesn't discriminate. It's unforgiving to the unprepared. That's why it's crucial to equip yourself with knowledge and skills that can help you survive and thrive in any situation. From building a shelter to finding food and water, every bit of know-how counts. So embrace the challenge, respect the power of nature, and always be prepared. Out in the wild, a shelter is your best friend. It protects you from the elements, provides warmth, and offers a sense of security. The good news is you can build a basic shelter using natural materials found in your surroundings. Look for fallen trees or branches to create a simple lean-to structure. Lean them against a sturdy base like a rock or a thick tree trunk. Cover the frame with leaves, moss, or bark to create a barrier against wind and rain. Another option is a debris hut, which offers better protection. Create a triangular framework using branches and pile leaves, grass, and other debris on top. The thicker the layer, the warmer and more insulated your shelter will be. Remember, the key is to find or build a shelter that provides insulation and protection from the elements. With a little ingenuity, you can create a safe haven in the wild. Water is essential for survival. You can go without food for a while, but dehydration can set in quickly and have serious consequences. Finding safe drinking water should be a top priority in any survival situation. Look for running water sources like streams or rivers. Moving water is generally safer than stagnant water. If possible, boil water for at least 1 minute to kill harmful bacteria and parasites. You can also collect rainwater using a tarp or a large leaf. Create a shallow depression in the ground to collect water and then purify it by boiling or using water purification tablets. Remember, never drink water from unknown sources without purifying it first. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Fire provides warmth, allows you to cook food, and offers a sense of security in the darkness. Mastering fire-starting techniques is crucial for wilderness survival. Learn how to build a fire using the bow drill method or by striking a ferrocerium rod against a fire steel. Gather dry tinder kindling and fuel wood to sustain your fire. Foraging for edible plants can supplement your food supply. However, it's crucial to properly identify plants before consuming them. Learn about common edible plants in your region. Navigation skills are essential for finding your way back to safety. Learn how to use a map and compass or practice using natural navigation techniques like following the stars. By mastering these skills, you can increase your chances of survival and return home safely from your wilderness adventures.